Let's speak to Tobin Dymock from Spreadex, shall we? Because he is going to join us right now. The Everest, will you be up at 6:15 to watch that with us? Surely you will, Tobin. Tell me you're going to watch Car-Yung Rising on Sky Sports Racing on Saturday.
If my 8 months old's up, then I'll be up then, Zoe.
There we go.
Hopefully I'll still have my eyes closed, mate.
I tell you what, for parents of very young children, the Australian coverage is excellent. So look, hopefully you'll be with us at 6:15 to see how Car-Yung Rising gets on. But a little bit closer to home, what's happening today in the markets? Plenty happening?
Yeah, it's not the greatest racing today, is it? But yeah, there's been a few little market movers. So we've got a few meetings on the channel today, haven't we? So plenty to keep us entertained. Let's have a look. So in the 1 o'clock, Fair Lawn Skipper of the Bowens, 10 to 11 into 8:13 there. I think this one's been supported perhaps more because the opposition aren't particularly up to much. They've have got long absences to overcome and perhaps are looking at handicap targets down the line. So there's a chance this one might get its own way, Fair Lawn Skipper, with Sean Bowen doing the steering. So that's been well supported.
Yeah, Fair Lawn Skipper, 8 to 13 to see off just a couple of rivals in that race. 3:15 race at the Ocky could be an appropriate one with the darts going on. Right, what about this this horse in a maiden hurdle? 10 to 11 has become 4 to 11. I mean, the Twisted Davies team in good form, aren't they, this time of year? And Sam on board.
Yeah, indeed. Sam doing the steering at the Ocky. So it has got the benefit of a recent outing, and Willie has got his stable in really good form. I think they're 33%, 7 winners in the last couple of weeks. So, yeah, again, whereas some of these have got sort of absences to overcome, and you know, everything really is pointing to at the Ocky here. So I'll be surprised if this one gets beat. Yeah,
short price, but the one the punters want. Gavin is another popular horse that's got form around Fosslas, having won there before. He's a bit of an all-or-nothing horse, though. He likes to go off in front, doesn't he? Sean Bowen, I'd imagine we'll try and be positive with him again today, Tobin.
Yeah, you'd have thought so. 11 to 4 into 15 to 8. He's hardly a prolific winner, is he, Gavin? But has got a few wins in the book a little bit further back. I think being a son of bated breath out of a Monsieur mare, I don't think they had a Class 4 handicap at Fosslas in their minds when they were breeding this one. But yeah, today could be his day. But like I say, it's not the deepest of races, so he's got to have a chance.
Yeah, that's Gavin. Right, over at Brighton, they've got their final season, meeting of the season there, 4:05. Marembo, 16s down to 9s for Jonathan Portman. Interesting move there in the 10 furlong handicap, Tobin.
Yeah, she's been a good servant over the years, hasn't she? Sort of manages to get a win or two each season, and I'm sure a fun horse to own. We're paying 4 places there. It's a very open handicap, and you could probably have a few picks and still not hit the crossbar. Anyway, yeah, 16s into 9s for Johnny Portman, and she's got some reasonable form around Brighton, so we'd expect her to go fairly well.
OK, that's Marembo. Southall as well tonight, don't forget, live on the channel. We've got 2 in the same race here, the 4:55. Al Muqdad for David O'Mara and Danny Tudhope, and Tati Bogle in the same race for Charlie Johnson. Both been supported.
Yeah, again, very open. So, yeah, we've got a 4-place concession there. Al Muqdad for David O'Meara, handicapper. Well, maybe has sort of got the measure of this horse at the moment. He is sort of slipping back down, but hasn't won this year, and so it's been a long time between drinks for that one. Also, Tati Bogle, you could sort of say the same thing, although that one's 8 this morning and now down to sort of 7 to 2 for Charlie Johnson. For a 3-year-old, does seem a little bit regressive. It's been 11 starts since that one got its head in front, and also was gelded in January, and that really didn't seem to do the trick as it sometimes does. So, yeah, they've been supported, probably a bit of each way money. Hasn't probably taken that much money to move those, really. But, yeah, they've got to be respected and should go OK.
OK, we'll look forward to seeing how those get on. Toby, many thanks for all those movers. Enjoy the sport with us, and hopefully we'll catch up soon. Thank you.
Yeah, take care of yourself, Enzo. Good luck.
Top man, Tobin Dymock there from Spreadex. All the latest moves with the fixed odds there from Spreadex today. Right.